Connect the water tank and water pump, and connect the water supply pipe of the water tank. Fill the water tank with water. Fill the test chamber with water. The water level need exceed the inlet of the circulating pump. Install the high-pressure pipe connect to the test chamber. Install the sealing ring first. Connect the screws and lock them tightly. Connect the power cord, chamber heating and control cables. Install the computer and connect the communication cable. After turning on the power, turn on the computer. Open software. Turn on the water injection pump. Open the pressure relief valve and vent the air from the pressure tank. Close the pressure relief valve. Turn off the water injection pump. Open the chamber for water heating. Open CMM water temperature monitoring. Set water temperature. Turn on the heating switch. Open the chamber water circulation pump and water heating. Confirm that the water valve is in internal circulation mode. Connect the water pipe of the chiller. Switch the water valve to external circulation mode. Set the water temperature of the chiller. Running the chiller. Install test samples. Remove the fixture. Install the ceiling ring. Installation fixture. Install the plug. Install another interface connecting high-pressure pipes. Connect the high-pressure pipe. Wait for the chamber temperature to reach the set value before starting the test. Set test pressure and holding time. Set pressure speed. Set stop pressure. Clear curve records. Open the test pipeline. Start test. The test has ended. Open pressure relief.